So, today I'm gonna work on fixing my step in front of my house because it's totally broken and dangerous. So everything is pretty old here, but this is what's broken. So this whole thing actually comes off. So I'm gonna completely take it apart and then lay down all the pieces so I know exactly what I need to get from Home Depot. You want to take the whole thing apart, take everything out. Look at that. Make sure you take measurements. Then you bring all your pieces to Home Depot and see if they can help you.
I could do like a championship because I'm big.
Oh, nice. If you were not aware, Home Depot cuts pieces for you for free. Got everything I need.
No! No.
So there's Eli watching me.
No!
And Tiger.
No.
So I cleared the whole thing out, removed everything, all the old pieces. So this is where everything's going. I got one long wooden piece to sit in the back here because before these three pieces here were sitting on rocks. That's not steady at all. And then I got this piece. This is where this piece is gonna go. It'll look like that. And then I have to paint the top pieces because they need to match.
Excuse me.
And I'm gonna need to redo the whole thing. Yes?
Excuse me.
You wanna jump? You wanna show everyone that you can jump?
Oh, I can jump right there.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna try. I just have to be right here.
Jump over the step. Oh, awesome. Oh. I'm gonna try to get a screw all the way back here at an angle so that it goes all the way to the back piece over there. Kind of like entering through here and then going straight down to the back piece like that. It's kind of hard for me to get into that back there. Oh, be careful, Eli. So I actually decided to break this piece here that was blocking my access to the back here. I'm gonna try to get a screw in here so that it attaches to this post. So I already got two screws in all the way over here. One on the bottom, one on the top. I'm gonna add a third one. And I'm hoping that you can see well. I'm not blocking too much. It's kind of difficult for me to get it at a straight angle like this.
So I can see.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it a little bit diagonal.
So I can see.
And hope that that's okay. As you can see, I broke off a little piece of the. Eli, can you watch out, please?
Okay.
I broke off a little piece of the gate-looking thing here because I needed access to get in there. Do you need help?
I can need one of these. So
Here.
I can see more.
All right. So I don't think you'll be able to see well, but we're gonna speed up a little bit here. So now we're just gonna go in through angles to connect these pieces to the bottoms pieces of woods. So everything I'm going in through an angle. Struggled a little bit with this piece here, so you may need to exchange your bit. If it's doing that, it means it's probably the wrong size. So I exchanged it, and it's going in a lot smoother now. So I added the middle pieces. A lot of mosquitoes. They were tearing me up. So now we're putting the middle piece in, screwing it at an angle to connect that top piece to the bottom wooden piece. I'm making sure that my middle piece here is aligned to that black line that I drew to make sure that I had it in the right place. This is not as easy as it looks, by the way. And oh, it moved a little bit, but that's fine. And getting everything at an angle. This is the last middle, or the last middle piece. Getting that last screw in for these top pieces here. So I got that in there. And now we are putting in the front board. Now it's feeling like we are almost done. This should go a little bit smoother. All these last screws are going straight in, and that's how we want them to go in. Dig a little bit into the board so the screws are not sticking out. Oh, keeps happening. So we're gonna get that to go straight in. Let's get in there. Come on. I'm trying to apply pressure because the stronger hold I have on it, the better it is for it to go in. So now we got one more screw for this middle one. Hopefully this goes in smoothly. Feels like I'm struggling here. I'm gonna reverse it, take it out, and then try again. All right, that was a lot better. That one went a little bit further in, which is what I want. And now the last two screws go in here. This is gonna be the last of it as far as this front board here. Damn, these mosquitoes. So almost done here with this one. And now all that's left is to put the top boards on. So we're gonna put 2 screws to meet those 3 boards that we had in the middle. So that's where we're screwing each of these boards now. You'll see that I have a tiny little gap in between my new pieces and the top piece of my porch. And I will be filling that in later with a correct size that I need. So at this point we're just finishing putting these top screws. So 2 on each. And we are almost done. We're on the last board now. 2 screws for each board at each section where we meet the that piece that was right underneath it that I'm stepping on. All right. Come on. Oh, wobbly. There we go. All right. And we are done. Look at that.